Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here today. Our word of the day is air. Air is a noun, and it refers to the invisible mixture of gases that surrounds the earth. It's what we breathe to stay alive, and what fills up the space around us. Let's break it down a bit more. Air is essential for life. Every time you take a breath, you're inhaling air, which contains oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other gases. It's everywhere, even though you can't see it. For example, when you stand outside and feel the wind, you're feeling air in motion. Some synonyms for air include breeze, wind, and atmosphere. Let's use them in sentences. I love feeling the gentle breeze on a summer evening. The strong wind made it hard to walk. Pollution can damage the quality of the atmosphere we live in. These words help to paint a clearer picture of the context in which air can be experienced. Now, let's explore some antonyms. For air, antonyms could include vacuum or emptiness. For example, a vacuum exists in space where there is no air. The emptiness of the sealed container ensured that nothing could enter. These examples show situations where air is absent. In everyday life, we talk about air in so many ways. You might hear someone say, "Let's get some fresh air," when they want to go outside. Or, "The room feels stuffy. Can you open a window to let in some air?" These are common expressions you can use yourself. Here are a few more examples of how to use air in a sentence. She filled the balloon with air for the party. The plane is flying high in the air. After a long hike, he sat down to catch his breath and take in the fresh mountain air. That's it for today's episode. We've talked about the meaning of air, shared some synonyms and antonyms, and explored its use in daily life. I hope you found it helpful and fun. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Before we go, here's a little challenge. Can you create your own sentence using air? Share it in the comments. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.